Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel English for You with Sabina. Today it's time for the new tense, which is past simple. We'll start learning the past simple tense, one of the most common tenses in spoken English, and the points to remember. Past simple refers to actions completed before the present day. It is not important how the action is performed in the simple past. The action must have been completed in the past. Whether the action occurred recently or long ago depends on the time frame. We use the simple past tense to talk about something that happened once in the past. For instance, I met my husband in 1993. We went to Italy for our vacations. They got home late last night. Something that happened several times in the past. I finished work, walked to the beach, and met my friends. Something that was true for some time in the past. I lived abroad for 20 years. He enjoyed being a basketball player. She played a lot of volleyball when she was younger. We often use expressions with ago with the past simple. I met my friend a long time ago. With most verbs, the past tense is formed by adding ed. For example, when we have the verb call, we change it for called. Want, wanted. Work, worked. As you can see from these examples, with most regular verbs, we add ed. When a verb ends in e, we simply add the. And when a verb ends in a consonant and y, we change the y to I and add ed. For instance, worry, worried, stop, stopped. But there are a lot of irregular past tense forms in English. Here are the most common irregular verbs in English with their past tense forms. Let's have a look at these tables. In affirmative sentences, the word order is subject, verb, and the form of the verb in the simple past is the same for all subjects, with the exceptions of to be, was, were. For example, I played basketball yesterday. I saw his friend last week. I was in Italy in August. To make negative sentences in the simple past, we use the auxiliary did not or didn't and the base form of the verb. For instance, I didn't play football 2 days ago. We didn't go to the theater last week. She didn't arrive on time this afternoon. To make questions in the simple past, we use did in front of the subject and base form of the verb. Did plus subject plus base form of verb plus object. For instance, did he play football yesterday? Did the team lose the match? Did he clean the house last Saturday? The simple past allows you to describe many aspects of your professional and personal lives. Here's a fun quiz to help you practice it. Thank you for watching, and of course don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. See you next time.